So I actually find it very difficult to meditate, and I think that a lot of people with busy mindsets can agree. But the way that you made us do the breathing, where we were alternating by one that was focused, that stopping, and then just letting go, that actually put me in a state of calm and meditation. And I think that that was helpful for me to remember, finding that balance between focus and just letting go and being a part of everything. So I really appreciated that, and I feel really good, so.
Yeah, I normally like to do the meditation by myself, so in a purely quietness. But today I especially enjoy Yogmata's voice. I love your voice. Bring me more peace. And Paul's singing, that's really like an angel's voice. I almost want to cry. So I love to have that kind of music. For example, for busy people, if you drive in New York City, now every day I'm listening to the New York Classic 105.9, that radio. So even though when you are driving, when you are awake and in a big traffic, you can still do that kind of a meditation with, in action, meditation in action. You're in that mode. Listen to music can help you calm down. So yeah, I will look forward to have more connection with your organization. If I can access some resources, hear your voice, get more music. Thank you so much.
So I showed up tonight carrying a lot of anger from my day and from my week. And coming out tonight, I just have a lot more hope and gratitude, so thank you.
I just want to appreciate the joy that you bring. I'm very present to that. It's almost tingly. It's almost like I want to tinkle. But I'm sure someone else feels that. But it's such a pure joy in the body, that sensation of almost like a childlike from all of you, even the way you share. So I just really want to express my appreciation, and I'm very grateful to be here.
Just really, sure. Thank you. I feel the incredible love in the room. We are love, and to love we shall return. And I was brought to tears when they say incredible love. Thank you.
It had been a while since I practiced yoga. I used to do this when I was very, very young, and I went to the ashrams in Peru, in the Machu Picchu, so it had been 30 years that I have been away. The harmony and the message of clarity of the spirit that you transferred to me tonight is unbelievable. Thank you for bringing me back.
How did you ladies come tonight? Did you have fun tonight? Was it good? You want to say a few words?
I thought it was fun to learn how to stay calm in a very big, crazy world. And if you just stay calm sometimes, maybe like you can keep your mind settled down. It was nice learning how to stay calm in some ways which you can really focus.
Hi, my name is Justina. I just wanted to say that I'm a very businessy person, and I'm always like, let's go, let's do things, and my mind will never stop. And actually, I was reading about Nikola Tesla and Einstein and how they were meditating, and they were I was starting reading about Akashic records and Akash, right? And that actually brought breakthrough in my life and in my business, because now I do it all the time. I meditate, I calm myself down. So today was beautiful, because actually people think that being successful in life is all about doing and being busy. But in reality, it's just letting your mind relax, because your mind is so powerful. So thank you for being here. It was amazing.
Hi, thank you so much.
I'm actually in the middle of getting a yoga teacher training certification, and when I embarked, I really only knew about asana and the physical posture of yoga. And I've learned that yoga is so much more than that. It has so much to do with how we treat other people and how we treat ourselves, and how kindness is really the most important thing in the world. Compassion and connecting to spirit, which is something that I think I was searching for. So I just wanted to thank you for spending your life teaching that message. It's so important, and I really think it's going to change our future. So thank you.
Thank you, thank you. My name is Kai, and it was such a pleasure to meet every single one of you here on the stage and also outside. I have to say, Ms. Yogmata, you are a master of many things, and you are also a master of hugging. You gave me the most amazing hug that I have to say has absolutely changed my life. So thank you so much, and thank you all for sharing your gifts so generously with all of us.
Anyone final sharing?